I need some medical assistance.
She was teasing me. Don't play innocent. Go sit down in your chair. God, I love your hair. Okay. Just gonna sit here and die. And just imagine what that would have been like if she had actually kissed me. Oh, it's so nice. It would have been. She's like, it would have been great.
I don't know. Let's see.
Are you dead? Now I'm dead, yes.
Mark James, everybody!
Thank you. Call me.
Uh-huh. Hello, sir.
Hey, buddy.
How you doing, man?
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
As Alex said, I'm a creature creator and makeup artist. My job to gross you out, freak you out, and scare the spit out of you.
Yeah. You may not know this. Universal actually invented the genre of horror movie.
I was right, and today I brought some of my favorite clips of Universal's Legacy of Terror.
I want to warn you, though, what you're about to see is not for the faint of heart. If you're easily nauseated or squeamish, just close your eyes.
But let your kids watch. Today I'm going to show you how we do some of that cool stuff in the movies, and if you're really lucky, I'm going to show you what's behind that mysterious red curtain over there.
What do you got?
It's my children's show project that he's
You
been
brought
wanting-
it?
I brought, yeah, I did.
Very
What are you
excited.
doing? No.
What's wrong?
Get away from me.
What?
No, I want to save for the end of the show.
Oh, not now?
No, like a big finale. Like I just want to,
Okay.
like a chicka chicka. Like a chicka chicka.
One more time.
Chicka chicka. Chicka chicka. Yeah.
I like it.
Thank you. I came up with it all by myself.
Did you?
No. Okay. All right, do me a favor. Go on to this lovely audience. Find me a lovely woman whose family no longer needs her.
Oh, okay. Oh, I will call this woman a volunteer.
Okay.
Oh, and I see a couple volunteers. How nice. How delightful. I appreciate that very much, but I don't want anyone who wants to come on stage. If you want to come on stage here, you're a freak. No, I want to find someone who doesn't want to come on stage, someone who wandered in and thought this was a ride. You know, maybe like Harry Potter would come out and give you all a butter beer. Oh, you brought me a donut? Okay, fine.
Wait, somebody brought donuts?
No, she's totally Bogarting a donut, dude.
I'm going back.
Yeah, I want to go back a row. Because the people in the back row, the front section, always feel like they're safe or something. So I'm going to go ahead and get this lady right here. Yay!
38 minutes later.
How you doing? Good? We're going to change that. Come on. Come on. All the cool people are doing it. Come on. You're going to leave the map behind me. You're already here. You don't need the map. Who's that guy? Who's that guy? Who's that guy? Who is that? That's your husband. Okay, good. She didn't want to admit to it. I don't think. All right.
I don't know. He followed me in here. I'm not sure who he is.
What's his name? What is it? Jamila? That's his name? That's your name? Oh yeah. What's his name? Okay. Jamila? I'm sorry? Go ahead and turn around. It's your debut, not your day, bud. Hi. I'm Alex. Jamila, right? And that's Al.
That's so nice to meet you. Ah! Jamila, why? Here's the real one. Where are you from? Cuba. Let's hear for Jamila from Cuba. Okay, let's get a picture.
So, Jamelia or Jamila? Jamila. Okay.
And Jamila, you said this is your husband, and his name is? Denise? Oh, Denise. Oh, I like it. How long have you been married? 3 years.
3 years.
Do you have a boyfriend as well? It's gonna be an awkward trip home to Cuba. All right. Put your hands out like this. We're gonna build you an Orlando boyfriend, okay? Look at that, you're already holding hands. It's so cute. Of course, here in America, we need more, right? So here's 2, 3, 4, 5 hands. That's a lot more fun than your husband. And here's a foot. Kick him in the butt if he ever gets online. And goes, oh, God. Don't smell this. It is so bad, but it's like so soft against the skin. It's like a lotion bar. Oh, she's into it. Okay, take her over to the limb table and get the butt out of the fridge. Over there somewhere, please.
Just throw them up here. You don't have to be delicate. Yeah, just right there.
Where are the butts?
Why would you do that to Jamila? I can't believe you. She's
no
from
idea
Cuba.
what's
She
going
will
on
cut
over-
you.
Oh, and over there.
Sorry, that's
Unprofessional.
awful.
Hey.
Meh.
Hey, Jan. You're gonna be my lovely assistant, okay? Can I call you Jan? Can I call you Jan? I love it.